Young people are really leading the way now on climate change and on other progressive issues like the new civil rights movement around race and things. That's great, but they need the backup of older people who have much of the political power and much of the economic power in this country and in this world. That's why we're forming Third Act, thirdact.org, a progressive organizing group for people above the age of 60, the boomers, the silent generation. People say that we age, as we age, we become more conservative. And there's a little bit of data to back that up. But I think in the case of this generation, it needn't be true. Those of us of this age, in our first act, when we were young, either participated in or bore witness to some of the most remarkable, profound cultural and political change in history, the civil rights movement, the anti-war movement, the women's movement, on and on. That was our first act. Maybe our second act, we were a little better at consumerism than at citizenship, frankly speaking, as a whole. Be that as it may, we now emerge for our third and final act with a lot of skills, a lot of resources, maybe more than our fair share, and a fair number of grandkids and kids, and hence real reason to want to, well, to do something about our legacy so we don't become the first generation to leave the world a worse place than we found it. That's why we've started Third Act and why we're so grateful that so many people are joining in.